That's the one. Good morning, traders. Gates Adams here with GACTradingPro.com. Happy Friday. It is February 10th, 2023. Obviously, we're talking about trading, so please make sure you know what you're doing before you do it. All right, let's get back to our setup here. Okay, so so let's talk about what's happened since yesterday. I finally got my monitor mounts. Man, that was just aggravating me to no end. And finally. All right, let me see here. Let me see if let me get confirmation that I'm streaming. All right, so that's the good news. I've got 3 of my 4... Three of my 4 new monitors mounted, or not new monitors, but external monitors. And fourth one, oh, hang on. So my fourth one, it just didn't work. I'm sorry, I'm switching over to my to my business page here so I can see the stream, see any sort of comments that are coming in. All right. Yeah, I ran a little bit behind this morning. It's just been kind of a slow morning. Not to mention trying to get everything all set up with all the new monitors and the way they're set up. So you can see right here are a couple of my monitors, one over the other. Over on this side, I have another one. Let's see if we can angle it. Ah, right there. There should be 2 on this side, but one of them decided not to work. So anyway, we'll deal with that. And then, of course, I've got a direct line view on my laptop screen directly ahead of me, so I'm looking at you right there. I guess I'm pointing at myself. I'm the you. But I also do have my my Facebook page up, so I can see any comments that come through on there. Maybe with the new monitor, if once I get that all squared away and handled, maybe I can see if I've got like Twitter and YouTube online as well, so I can see any sort of comment in there if it can come through. Generally, it's pretty quiet, but so be it. Okay, so let's take a quick refresh. So here are my 2 trading screens. The order's a little off for me. So my top right is the green one here, which is my scalp trade chart and just my general see what's going on chart. And then down here on my bottom right is my white trending chart, my simplicity chart. Over here on my far left, my single chart, my single screen over here is my 30-tick diagnostic chart, and then straight ahead is my laptop screen, which just basically has my feed and my Facebook open, so I can just make sure everything is looking good over here. So pretty much you'll see me over here. I don't know. Let's see here. Let's figure out a height that works. Yeah, man, I gotta be able to access my mouse. In fact, I'm not sure. I don't know. Maybe I need to move my mouse a little bit. I've got this desk-long pad that essentially is my mouse pad. My keyboard sits on. But if I'm going to make this comfortable, I might need to do a little adjustment. Okay, so if I'm trading over here, it's good for my neck too, man. Let's see here. Instead of looking down all day. And my other monitors will be high up over here as well once it's all said and done. Cool thing about it is I can tuck them in when I don't need them, so that's kind of nice. All right. Well, So let's take a look at what has happened this morning. All right, well, nothing steady. We jumped up, chopped. Jumped up, chopped. I think we're going to have a choppy day. Ran down, and kept running down a little bit. A little chop in there, and then a lot of chop in there. And then a little run this morning, but a lot of chop. So I have a feeling we're going to be looking a little bit more primarily at scalps today. I could be wrong. I mean, look, this... yeah, I wouldn't have gotten into that with that super long setup. Well, I guess that wouldn't have been the setup. That would have been the entry bar, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Looks like we have a fair amount of news today. Friday. Go figure. Kid's texting me. Let me just make sure he's good because he missed school yesterday. I hate being away from them. Killing me. Just a little bit of a recap on yesterday. Yeah, I mean yesterday was it was up $60. It wasn't huge. It wasn't like, earth-shattering sort of anything. Let's see here. That might be a little better. But it was up, and that was good for me, especially after some of the struggles and challenges I've had. Also, you can see on here I've got those dynamic magnets showing up again everywhere. So that's good. I don't know what happened. They were missing. They were MIA yesterday, but they're here today. So let's just see what the day holds. But I'm getting the feeling now that I'm going to be a little bit more inclined to see some scalp trades. Which is fine. You know what? I seem to be doing a lot better on those than the movers. I'll get better at the movers, but... Alright, so we got wall, dev, zone of interest, paw, all here within close proximity. Oh, yes, I'm going to have to access my keyboard. Let's see. And my clocks are right, so that's good. I'm not seeing anything that looks particularly enticing. There's an opportunity here, maybe. Give me the tail. No, it's not even going to give me the entry. So forget that. Practically crash. It'll stall around there. I don't know. here's the thing. We get past this here, and it wants to continue down, and it's pretty clear path. I can see some, well, I say that, yeah, it wants to retrace back above that wall and that dev line, which means that I would have to get back through them if I was to take something. So now I'm going to take a look at coming back up here and bouncing off of this. I mean, I could take a... Yeah, well... I don't know that I agree that that was a DTX. Would have been a winner, but that wasn't the strength of trade that I'm interested in. Oof. Talk about adding some more barriers. All right. Of course. Don't get me to the wall. All right. Let's see here. I don't think it wants to give me the actual signal here. Nope. Okay. You want to bounce off that? Eesh. Bouncing a little early. Okay. And got those double mini magnets there. That wouldn't be a sucky spot to bounce off of either. Yeah. Killed one of them. Yeah, no. Yeah, because why not? For crying out loud. Man. These big runs. Very quick. Yeah, we're getting into some pretty heavy obstruction there. Major news in 15 minutes. Probably going to be a little cautious between now and then. Okay. Where are we going? Right there. HD. Maybe not. Not sure about the ergonomics of all of this. I might have to do some adjusting and rearranging, but we'll see. Yeah. Well.
Order filled.
There we go.
Stop filled.
Oh, dang it. You bastard. All right. When that... Oh, all right. Let's see what... Oh, for crying out loud. Okay. I'm going to have to work on this. This ain't cool. Well, let's see here. Oh, yeah. There we go. Let's try to grab that screenshot. Yeah. That's a bummer. Okay. Especially since it took my entry, jumped down to my stop, and then took off in the direction that I expected it to go in the friggin' first place. So, mother. All right. Okay. Yeah. It's a lot of stuff to try to push through. Nope. Ah. Yeah. All right. Push it forward. I mean, I think it's safe to say that was a bit of a retrace here. But, I don't know, man. Seriously. Okay. Too close, maybe? I mean, the overall trend is up. 8 friggin' minutes to news. this is a weak push. Although making some steam here. Let's see here. All right. Nope. Take a bounce off of this. Seriously. I mean, we've got space. Just need a balanced setup. You want to come up here for crying out loud? All right. We developed a little bit of strength. Oh, man. All right. That is not.
Order filled.
All right. Where? Okay. Where's my... Where are my targets? No ATM at all. That is messed up.
Order filled.
Okay. 100% unacceptable. Oh. Oh. Let's see here. We're gonna edit this baby here. We're gonna go 25. Stop loss. Yeah, that's not cool. Yeah, it's banging on the door again. I don't know that I want to. Okay, so let's. Okay. I mean, does this give me this entire screen to screenshot? Yeah. All right. Okay, that was a good LRE. All right. Now it's chopping. Oh, I don't want any part of it. But let's look for some scalps here for a minute. All right. So we have got a solid push. But I mean, it's just bouncing. Okay. Let's see if this becomes an out. Jeez, man. Looks like we're getting into some divergence. So, if we get, yeah, we got the trapped Xbox. I'm sorry, we've got the Xbox. No trapped orders.
Order filled.
Well, okay.
Target filled.
All right. Whoa. Oh, God. Man. Just right before the friggin' news. You'll forgive me if I don't screenshot that one right now. Let's see. You know what? That's BS. I got this. Oof. Shit. Seconds before news. Yeah, there we go. Is that it? Ooh. That's a long time ago in the world of... Okay. Seriously. All right. Well, we'll just friggin' do it here. Okay. We are definitely back in what could easily be considered a dark zone. I don't want any friggin' part of this. I wish, honestly, that I realized that I was that close to news. That's on me. I need to set an alarm for that kind of crap. Well, what the hell just happened? Okay. The 30 is the best. Oh, well, I guess. Yeah. 30 is probably the best take on what happened. Choppity, choppity, chop. I mean, it's a pretty wide range of chop, but chop nonetheless. Whew. Dang it. Well, look, here's the thing. I'm up 150 bucks. If I'm on a net 3 scalp target, that would be 135. I'm at 150. So I'm at 30 ticks versus 27. So really, that's the end of my day. How many transactions was that? Yeah. Yeah. Let's see here. Let's get back to... Let's pull this baby up. Was that 4? So am I 3 for 4? We'll just do it on here. No, 2 for 3. 2 for 3, but because one of them was an LRE, and I got a big jump out of that. That's putting me where I want to be. Okay, so first one, I lost 21 ticks. Second one, I gained, I want to say, 42 ticks because that put me up 105, and then I picked up a 9-tick scalp. That put me at 150 for the day, and that's done. That ends it. Now, if I had started off with that low risk entry, that LRE, I guess that would have just been a one and done day. This is more of a comfort zone for me, so I'm feeling pretty good about it. So I don't know. I think that's a pretty good way to end the week. Almost tripled my profits from yesterday. So, oof. Yeah, I got to be way more careful of that news. I think that's pretty much the big lesson for the day. So, thank you all for stopping by and checking in on me. Appreciate you guys and love y'all. God bless. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Take care, and I'll see y'all on Monday.